Now the goal. What's the difference between the challenge and the goal? The challenge is fairly broad. It is about a problem you face in your situation. The goal is what you actually want to achieve, what you actually want to get done, and it has to be something that you can tell when you have done it. Again, it is a maximum of 256 characters, so you need to think through and be concise. And now you have your challenge as a reminder here. You want to understand people's perceptions. So I would try to put something very specific. So complete a survey in my district of all adult of adult population. But this is both routine about knowledge and attitudes toward COVID-19 and routine vaccines. So you can see that the goal is something tangible that I can actually get done. And then I'm asked, why is this goal important? So, I could say we need, reliable data about attitudes and behaviors to make, good decisions. This is just an example. I don't want to see your action plan just saying we need reliable data, which is true in general, but remember, it needs to be specific to your challenge and to your goal. So this is just an example. Now, have you started to take action toward this goal? So this is not action on your challenge, it's about the specific goal. So my goal is to complete the survey, and so if I have done some things to start my survey, I've started the design, I've secured funding, I've received approval from my supervisor. Actually, yes, I have done some of those things. This is not a completely new activity. And so I have secured funding and approval from my supervisor, for example. Now, your situation, and then there are some additional questions. This is my goal. And then these are the additional questions. Who did what, when, and how? How did it turn out? Do you have any concrete results to date? What are the lessons or surprises so far? We learned the lesson that adults may have completely different behavior about their own vaccination versus the vaccination of their children. For example, this could be a lesson learned. You'll put in your lessons. Again, here there is no limit to how much you can write. The more you write when you receive your action plan, the more detail you'll have about thinking through the process that you can refer to when you actually start taking actions.